Welcome to the prestigious hills of Los Angeles, where luxury meets innovation, stands a masterpiece of architectural brilliance, the Brentwood Oasis. Designed and developed by none other than visionary builder Ramtin Ray Nasrati, this estate is more than just a home. It is an experience, a lifestyle, a sanctuary of unparalleled elegance. Spanning over 1.2 acres, this one-of-a-kind estate seamlessly blends contemporary aesthetics with resort-style living. A true jewel in the crown of Los Angeles luxury real estate, the Brentwood Oasis is an awe-inspiring 16,672 square feet of indoor living space, complemented by an extraordinary 30,000 square feet of meticulously designed outdoor areas. This grand residence boasts 7 lavish bedrooms and 11 spa-inspired bathrooms, each crafted with exquisite detail and precision. Every inch of this estate exudes opulence, from the soaring ceilings to the floor-to-ceiling glass walls that flood the interiors with natural light, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living, and you are greeted by a breathtaking open-concept design where modern sophistication meets comfort. The grand foyer, with its floating staircase and custom chandelier, sets the stage for what lies beyond, expansive living spaces adorned with imported materials, sleek finishes, and cutting-edge smart home technology. At the heart of this masterpiece is a state-of-the-art gourmet kitchen, complete with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and a sprawling waterfall island, perfect for both culinary creations and social gatherings. Adjacent to it, a luxurious dining area offers the perfect setting for intimate dinners or lavish entertaining. For those who appreciate the art of relaxation, the Brentwood Oasis presents an array of world-class amenities. Unwind in the private wellness center, featuring a spa, sauna, and a fully equipped gym, all designed to provide a rejuvenating escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Entertainment takes center stage in this estate, with a state-of-the-art home theater, a stunning walk-in wine cellar, and a game room, ensuring there is never a dull moment. And for the car enthusiast, a sprawling showroom-style garage awaits, capable of housing a collection of luxury vehicles. But perhaps the most extraordinary feature of the Brentwood Oasis is its breathtaking outdoor living spaces. Spanning an astonishing 30,000 square feet, the exterior of this estate is a paradise in itself. Lush, manicured landscaping surrounds an infinity-edge pool and spa, offering panoramic views of the city skyline. Picture yourself lounging in one of the many outdoor seating areas, enjoying a glass of wine by the fire pit, or hosting unforgettable gatherings in the outdoor entertainment pavilion, complete with a full bar, kitchen, and dining area. For sports lovers, a private basketball court and putting green add an extra touch of exclusivity to this already spectacular retreat. A home of this magnitude is not just about luxury. It's about vision, craftsmanship, and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Ramtin Ray Nasrati has not only built a home, he has curated an unparalleled lifestyle experience, redefining modern luxury in Los Angeles. Priced at an outstanding $38 million, the Brentwood Oasis is not just a residence, it is a legacy, a true testament to the art of fine living. For those who seek the extraordinary, this estate stands as an invitation to live life at its absolute finest. The Brentwood Oasis, where dreams are designed and luxury knows no limits. This mansion is designed for those who seek the extraordinary. This estate redefines luxury living in Los Angeles. Subscribe for more luxury real estate tours and exclusive property showcases. For inquiries, private showings, or more details, contact us today. Please watch till the end of this video.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on